In today's lecture, we will discuss about the classification of plants on the basis of water availability. Though there are lots of other bases on which plants could be classified, but in today's lecture, we will discuss or we will focus on especially the plants classes which are based on the availability of water. First class is the xerophytes. As the name indicates, these are the plants which have the ability to survive in dry habitat or in desertic conditions, and they are also able to stand the prolonged period of water shortage. For this reason, they have some adaptations within the plants, such as they have succulent plants. And xerophytic plants, succulent plants are involved or are included. And these why these are included? Because these plants have the ability to store water for longer period of time. And these plants also have some other leaf modifications, such as these plants leaf area is reduced, and plants are sometimes modified into thorns, which also help in the water storage. Second class is the zero hydrophytes. As the name indicates, these are the plants which means hydro means water loving plants, or these are the plants which are present in the water habitats. In these plants, the water absorption occurs through whole surface of the plant, because their whole body is intact or attached with the water, so they don't need any specific area or any specific organ for the water absorption. So their whole body is their whole surface is actually involved in the absorption of water, such as water lily. And third class of the plants which are based on the water availability is the halophytes. Halo means salt. So these are the plants which are basically living in the marshy areas or close to the sea, because in the sea or in marshy areas, salt content is high compared to other areas. So, halophytes have the ability to cope with the situations by activating salt in their roots. As a consequence, the cells of the roots develop lower water potential, which brings in water by osmosis. And the excess salt can be stored in cell, or that can be excreted out from the salt glands which are present on the leaves. And last class of the plants on the basis of water availability of the mesophytes. Mesophytes are the plants which are able to live in the temperate zone, and this temperate zone have well-watered soil. And these can easily compensate water by lost by transpiration through absorbing water from the soil. So if they lost water through transpiration, then they can easily absorb that from the soil, because and for this purpose they have special root structure. They have root hairs which increase the surface area so that they can absorb water from the maximum area. And they also have the waterproof external covering, which is called cuticle, which involved in the prevention of excessive transpiration. So these are the plants which can grow in the mesophytic condition or in the temperate zones, which grow in the well-watered soil. So thank you. In further lectures or in the next lecture, we will discuss the classifications of the plants on the base on all bases, that how we could classify the plants on different bases. Thank you.